Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam, and these are Prostrate Japanese Plum Yews in 2 minutes. I planted these 3 dwarf plum yews maybe 2 years ago now, and they've only grown 3 or 4 inches, which is just perfect. This is a very slow growing evergreen ground cover with beautiful dark green foliage, insect resistant, deer resistant, disease resistant. They need to be planted up a little bit in clay soils. Also super drought tolerant. I planted them next to a oak that's about 23 years old, and it's very greedy. They've had no problem competing with it whatsoever. They love dappled shade in the middle of the day, so being under this tree is perfect. They're in full sun here in the morning, as you can see on me, and full sun late in the day, but during the middle of the day they're just in dappled light, and they absolutely thrive in it. This is a super easy, almost zero maintenance plant. You have to prune this plant almost never. It can reach 3 feet in height, and I've seen them that tall, but they can be kept. I mean, these are less than a foot tall right now, and you can see all the branching here is spreading. They can get, you'll see on tags, 3 feet wide. I've seen them 4 and 5 feet wide. They're just very slow to get there. They'll add about, like I say, 3 inches a year. You can prune them in the late winter, and you will get a limb that will race out ahead occasionally, and it can just be pruned off whenever, honestly. But if you need to do any general pruning to it, I'd probably do it in the late winter. They can be fertilized with a slow release fertilizer at the same time, but they have this beautiful, rich, dark green coloration. And they're also, those of you who struggle to find things to grow in coastal areas, perfect for that. Hardy in zone 6 to 10, so pretty cold hardy for a beautiful evergreen shrub like this, and also extremely heat and drought tolerant. Thank you very much for watching.